pick a foot and put it forward, and you want to step on the resistance band with that foot. Every set, change feet. So when you go through the routines, just change feet throughout the sets. Right now he's going to use, it looks like, his right foot. There we go. Now, you want your front foot to have all your pressure of your body in it. The back foot just is bended. Both of them are bent, but most of the pressure is in the front. Shoulders are back and down, chest up, abs nice and tight. Now, bring your hands up here. Perfect. You want your palms facing one another. Elbows, you want to keep them inward throughout the set. Go ahead, push up all the way. Beautiful. Now, come down till your elbows meet your shoulder. Blow out and come up. You want your hands to go straight up so everything is all lined up. Come down till right there. Always keep your elbows in. You don't want to move them and sway them back and forth to take pressure off that deltoid. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Don't sway around. His abs are nice and solid. Make sure when you come down, your arms are a 90-degree angle. It's not like this or out, okay?